Welcome to my Juan vlog. Today is Tuesday and not yet open. Yeah, we just arrange everything and then not yet open the entrance. You know, the roll up not yet open. But you know, that's why we're just waiting to open so that the customer coming. So we're just good morning guys. Welcome to my Juan vlog. This is my outfit for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe po ninyo po ako sa YouTube channel ko, Juan de la Cruz, my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.